don't get how much I hate you right now. You know what? You suck. But Kip and his gang are awesome! Find them. Join them. I will. Wahoo! I can fly! Yay! Whoa! Whoa! No, not that! Ah! Whoa! You're such a whoop! Ow! Ah! Water on set! No, guys, it's me, it's me. Oh, I really want to become a gang, part of your gang. Star Raptor's just annoying. Oh, okay. So, okay. And I have a few more teammates too. Come on out, guys. Whoa, it's a smaller version of you. Yay, I'm a Marshtomp and I'm an idiot. No, you're not. And Swampert. Cool, it's your evolutions, but why are you bigger than a Marshtomp and a Swampert? Oh, just 'cause I am. What's this? Oh, that's just my pet. And I also decorated downstairs here. Anybody else up for pizza? Yeah, let's go get pizza. Woo! Yeah, I'm after you. Wait up. Yeah. Yay. Yay. Ow. Wait up. Yahoo! Come on, Trico! Okay. Yay! Yeah! We have formed a line! We have formed a line! Meanwhile, back in the universe, Charlie, get off my bed. Okay, sorry about that. Oh no! That was horrible. I have a question. Where the heck did Mega Man come from? You die! Here's my Mega Plan. You die! Okay. Hey, look, guys, it's Porta. Think we should go in it? I'm not sure, but I am. Woo! Where the heck are we? I'm going in it too! Whee! Ah! Where are we? Yeah! Where are we? Wah! And 7 sucked big. Time, yeah. Gotta run now. Gotta run now. Okay, could you stop singing, Mega Man? You die. I'm going in. Whoa! This is a weird. I am going in. Yeah. Hi, Charlie. Yeah. Get off of my bed. You die. Shut up. And 5 and 6 are okay. but 7 sucked big time. For real. Gotta run now. Gotta run now. It could rain. Also, Flashman. We told you to shut